So today I'm gonna show you how to fix Discord not opening on PC. It's pretty simple and easy, so let's get started. So there are several possible reasons why Discord is not working on your PC. Corrupted cache files, network connectivity issues, or maybe an antivirus or firewall blocking can be the problem. So first step you have to do is to close all Discord processes and restart. Sometimes Discord doesn't launch correctly if multiple instances are running in the background. So first step, press Ctrl plus Shift plus exit to open the task manager. Go find Discord processes, scroll through the list and locate Discord. After that you have to end task, so go right click each instance and select end task. After that reopen Discord to see if it launches correctly. After that we have to clear Discord's cache files. Clearing these files can often resolve startup issues, so go press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, type appdata/discord/cache and press enter. Delete files. So the next step is to delete files. Select all files in the cache folder and delete them. After that, reopen Discord to see if the issue is resolved. So go right click on the Discord shortcut on your desktop or in the start menu and select Run as an administrator. After that, grant permissions to run as an administrator. Make sure to disable compatibility mode. Go right click on the Discord shortcut and then select properties. After that, go to the compatibility tab. Make sure to uncheck run this program in compatibility mode. After that, click apply, then OK. Launch Discord to check if the problem is resolved. The next step is to reset DNS settings. Resetting DNS can resolve network related issues that may prevent Discord from loading. What you want to do is to press Windows plus R. After that, type Ctrl Shift Enter to open the command prompt as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig//dns and press enter. You have to restart Discord to see if it opens correctly. If the problem still occurs, we have to temporarily disable antivirus and firewall. So first of all, open your antivirus program and temporarily disable it. Go to settings/update and settings. After that, Windows security. Go to firewall and network protection and turn off the firewall temporarily. Launch Discord now. If Discord opens correctly after disabling the firewall or antivirus, add Discord to the list of allowed apps within your security settings to prevent future issues. Now, if all the solutions doesn't work, we have a last option. A fresh installation of Discord can resolve any deep-rooted issues with the app files. Go to Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl and press enter. Make sure to uninstall Discord. So go find Discord, right click and select uninstall. Delete remaining files like Open File Explorer and navigate to AppData and delete the Discord folder. Go to local AppData and delete Discord folder there as well. Now we have to reinstall Discord, so go visit the official Discord website and install the latest version. That's it guys. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.